Now we will see the third example, which is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 and 9x is equals to 2y plus 7. So in solution, first of all we will write the given, that is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equals to 0, and this is 9x is equals to 2y plus 7. But we will write this equation in terms of, means x and y is on left hand side and constant term should be on right hand side because we have to solve it. So we'll write this as 3x minus 5y, and we will shift this minus 4 to here. It will become 4 and we will give it to number 1. Similarly, we will write the second also like that only. So it will be 9x, then 2y we will take out this side, that is minus 2y is equals to 7 will be there only. So it will be 2. So as the method is what? Elimination, means we have to eliminate any one term, either x term or y term. So to eliminate either x or y term, we have to make the coefficient of x or y should be equal. So here we will see, here it is 3x. Generally I am taking the first term x term. You can also make the coefficient of y term equal and eliminate it. Now look at here, that is here it is 3x and in second equation it is 9x. So it is easy to multiply the first equation with 3 to make the coefficient equals to 9. So the first equation we will multiply with 3. Then each and every term you multiply with 3. So it is 3x into 3. It will become 9x. Minus 5y into 3 will become minus 15y. Equals to 4 into 3 will become 12. And after multiplying, now subtract this equation from this. Means we will write here from 1 subtract 2. So after multiplying we got this for 1. Then this is 2. 2 is 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. And we have to do subtraction. So this is subtraction. If you will do the subtraction, the sign remain changed. This will be plus and this will become minus. Now this 9x and minus 9x, this term will cancel, means eliminated. Now minus 15y plus 2y will become minus 13y is equals to 12 minus 7, which is equals to 5. And this implies y is equals to minus 5 upon 13. This is the value of y. Now this value of y you put in the equation 1 or 2 to get the value of x. So we find for simplification equation 1 will be easy. So we will put the value of y. So we'll write here, put y is equals to minus 5 by 13 in first equation. So first is your 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. Here we will put the value of y. So it is 3x minus 5 and the value of y is minus 5 upon 13 is equals to 4. So it is 3x minus minus will become plus, 5 5s are 25 upon 13 is equals to 4. So this implies it is 3x is equals to, this will go here. So it is 4 minus 25 upon 13. So this implies 3x is equals to 13 4s are, that is 52 minus 25 upon 13. Now this implies 3x is equals to 52 minus 25. It is equals to 27 upon 13. Now we have to find the value of x. Therefore this implies x is equals to, this 3 will divide here. So it is 27 upon 13 and 3 will be 1 upon 3. So if it will be divide, then it will reciprocal will be 1 upon 3. So 3 1s are and 3 9s are. So this implies the value of x is equals to 9 upon 13. So we got the value of x and y. So in answer we can write, I am writing the answer here. Therefore here x is equals to 9 upon 13 and y is equals to minus 5 upon 13. So this is, we found the value of x and y with the help of elimination method. Now we will find the value of these x and y by substitution method. See here in the question it is mentioned solve this equation by elimination and substitution. So we will solving by both method. Actually it is coming for only solving for only one method, either elimination or substitution. So we will write here by substitution method. So our equation is 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. We wrote like this. This is our first one, and the second one is 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. Like this we wrote in the first. So as in substitution method we have to find the value of x or y. So from these two equations this one becomes simple. So from here I will find the value of x. So 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. So 3x is equals to 4 plus 5y, and this implies x is equals to 4 plus 5y divided by 3. We will give it to number 3, and now we will put x is equals to 4 plus 5y upon 3 in equation 2. So our equation 2 is 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. So we will put the value of this x here. So it is 9 into 4 plus 5y upon 3, then this minus, then this 2y is equals to 7. So this is 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So it becomes 3 into 4 plus 5y minus 2y is equals to 7. So we will solve this. 4 threes are 12 plus this is 5 threes are 15y minus 2y is equals to 7. So this 12 will go here, and plus 13y minus 2y will become plus 15y minus 2y will become 13y is equals to, this is 7 minus 12. So it is 13y is equals to 12 minus 7 is, this will be minus 5, and this implies y is equals to minus 5 upon 13. So this is the value of y we have found with the help of substitution method. Now to find the value of x, so we will keep the value of y in equation 3. So here we will solve, put y is equals to minus 5 by 13 in 3, because 3 is already expressed in terms of x. So x is equals to 4 plus 5 in place of y. In this place of y I will put the value of this, that is minus 5 by 13 upon 3, and then we will solve. X is equals to 4, this is plus into minus will become minus, this is 25, 5 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25 upon 13, and this whole upon 3. Then we will solve the numerator first, that is 13 4s are 52 minus this 25 and upon this is 13, and this whole upon 3, this whole upon 3. Then x is equals to 52 minus 25 will become 27 upon 13, and this upon this division of 3 we will write like this. Then it will be x is equals to 27 upon 13, and this will be multiply 1 upon 3, and this is 3 ones and 3 nines, and this implies x is equals to 9 upon 13. So this is the value of x. Now therefore we will write here x is equals to 9 upon 13 and y is equals to minus 5 upon 13. So in using both the methods the solution are same. So the other questions of the exercise 3.4 you can solve by your own, and if any doubt is there you can type on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you children, and I am also sending the worksheet on it. Solve these extra questions of this worksheet, and I'll send some answers afterwards, then verify your answers also.